Hello and welcome to Check It Out with Rich. I have been trying to get my hands on one of these for quite a while. Every time I go into Walmart, I head right back to the camping supply and they don't have it. So the one day I went up to one by my house and I told Becky while I'm there, I'm gonna check and see if they have one. So I left, called her and told her they didn't have one. She said, well, guess what? I just ordered you one on Amazon.
No, Walmart.
Oh, Walmart website. So I told her that I'd like to give one away at our rally we're having here in Pennsylvania if she can order another one. So she can only order a 2-pack. So that brought me up to 3. And then Tank Rangers was having a thing on Facebook and I won one. So that took me up to 4 of these. Thanks a lot, Tank Rangers. Okay, so the way this works is you first get it out of the box. All right, you get it out of the box, and the concept behind this is you have this rubber gasket here. Now you stick that down in, and then you pull this over, and it locks inside the pipe. And it seems like it would hold pretty good. It also seems kind of chintzy. Like when you move this, you can see where it pivots at here. It seems like something's going to break in here. Other than that, it's just a normal 90 degree that goes into your sewer pipe by your campsite. So let's go ahead and hook this up and we'll see how it works. See if it breaks. I've heard of people breaking it when they put it in. Now, I don't know if the pipe's too small or what, but let's see how she works. Okay, I've actually been using this. This is the dirt. This is one of my 4. So we're just going to put it in here, push it down a little bit, and then just give it a click. And it is in there pretty solid. And then all you do, put that in like that, and it seems like it's not coming out. I'd like to try it in different pipes. Now, when we was at the Alliance National Rally, they just had the green pipe coming up and it wouldn't work in there. I was actually going to do the video there and it wouldn't work. So I don't know if you use one of those bushings that have the different rubber bushing that have the different steps on it. If you can put that in, then put this in and it would work. I'll have to try that someday. Okay, so while I've been waiting for this, I ordered a dump buddy. And it's somewhat the same concept. It straps onto the pipe and then it comes up and holds the 90 degree in. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and see how this compares to the drain lock. Okay, so I went and got some gloves. This has been used before. So we're gonna take the hose off, pop that up, screw this in. Now, I don't think you'd really need the dump buddy with the screw in. I really don't even think you need this with a screw in. But you get some places that are, threads might be screwed up or something like that. That would come in handy. So we wanna, how this works is you pull this out and then you can turn it. Then once you get it in position, just push it back in. All right, so we're gonna put that on there. We're going to tighten it up. Now that's tightened up pretty good on there. And then you bring this up and you tighten her down, lock her in, and that is a little slippery. Let's see if we get a little more tightness on it. And it's not tightening up anymore. So that's it. So, I mean, it's coming off. I can't get it to tighten up on the pipe where I feel that it's actually working and securing the elbow on there. Yeah, I don't know if maybe something's defective in here or what, but It's turning out all right. It's loosening. It's just once you get so far tightening it, it stops tightening. So, Dump Buddy, I'm going to reach out to you and see if this is defective. But right now, I think I just wasted my money on a Dump Buddy. We got another one to try. So let's take this one off. And I went on to Amazon, and this was like $6. Let's see how this thing works for $6. I don't have much faith in this one. So we put that around it, put it on, tighten it down somehow. Okay, so this is extremely difficult to tighten up. I mean, I'm pulling on that and it's not going anywhere. And the same way with up here. I don't see how we can, that might get it. Let's try that. Oh. Okay. What I think about this? One, I just wasted $6. But it was better than the $25 I paid for this. I am going to reach out. I am a little concerned about this. I think it might be stripped out for some reason. But the other issue with this is nylon webbing. And Becky almost fell over. It's nylon webbing. So if you get sewage on this, it's going to soak into it. At least with the plastic pieces, you can wipe them off if you want. So this, goodbye $6. Okay, now I have one more option, which is a pretty good option. That is saddlebags. You just throw that over there. It's not going anywhere. One of my pet peeves with campgrounds is how high their pipe is sticking out of the ground. So we have about a 12-foot trap here. Yeah, so that's one of my pet peeves. But the saddlebag works pretty good. We got this, we was gonna buy one last year at the National Rally Alliance, and we didn't. So I bought it this year, and these things are like $10. You can put sand in there, you can put pea gravel. Right now I have a 1 gallon Ziploc bag with water in it. So when you're done, you can empty it out. You're not carrying around the extra weight. But that is working pretty good. So the cheaper option, $10. So far, this was what, $35? So this is pretty good. I'm just wondering how long this is going to last, because it does seem with these parts in here, something's going to end up snapping. And if this is your only means, you're kind of screwed once that snaps. Okay, I'm going to switch this back around, and I'm going to use this as my main one until it breaks. If I do have trouble with it down the road, I will do a follow-up video on it just so everybody knows that it's junk. But so far, it seems pretty good. All right, I will put the links for everything, even the bad ones, in my description of the video. So if you want to check them out or purchase them. So anyway, thanks for checking it out. We'll see you all next time. Bye. Hey, Beck.
Yep.
What you know?
It's What You Know Wednesday. Now you know.